Hi, on this episode of Andrew, I'm JD. We are going to first, before we say anything else, an advertisement. It's a Dragonite. It's a sleep pillow. You can sleep on it. As you can see, it's so comfy. And it's an animal. It's basically a Webkinz. Webkinz are awesome. Okay, good. Hey, Aerodactyl. Go Master Ball. Action replay, into the game. Master Ball, million. Dragonite, mine. Dragonite attack, Aerodactyl. Aerodactyl set. Move the players. Now, I will prove that I'm the best at stacking cups. I am going to do the champ, which is 3.5 seconds, I'm guessing. And here I go. The world champ. Here I go. Not yet, Andrew. Here I go. It's only at 2.5 seconds, because I'm slow-mo. Here we go. 3.4 seconds. Yeah, and we can prove it. It was actually 2 point something. Well, my record's 2 point something, but I just beat the record again.
We would show you, but we don't know. We haven't got the Guinness Book of World Records book yet.
Yeah, we did.
No, we didn't. It's coming out tomorrow. Okay. Now we have to.
He's talking about the Guinness Book of 2012, but we have Guinness Book World Record 2011, and I'm actually in it for the best cup stack. By the way, he's gonna go get these little. Go. Now, first we gotta go get the Guinness Book of World Records. Let's go. I think it's over here.
Difficult. Okay, just do whatever you want to do.
Technical difficulties about the earbook. About the book, but it is in there. More time. More time. No. I quit. I'm playing me. My new built-in controller. 50 kills. Yes, I win. Put up the win. Goodbye.